In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to offset in AutoCAD, a handy tool that can save you time and streamline your design process. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, understanding the offset command will enhance your efficiency when creating detailed designs. So, let's dive right into it. To begin, make sure you have your AutoCAD interface open and ready. The first step in executing an offset command is to access the command line. Down there, simply type in the word offset. This command line is essential as it acts like a translator between you and AutoCAD, interpreting your instructions into actions within the software. Once you've typed offset, go ahead and press the Enter key. Don't worry if you find yourself pausing at this stage, as pressing Enter merely confirms that you're ready to proceed with the command. Now, you're prepared to tell AutoCAD what objects you'd like to work with. Press Enter once more. And your next task is to select the object you wish to offset. The beauty of the offset command is its versatility. You can select various shapes, such as lines, rectangles, circles, and even the more complex polylines. This flexibility makes it a fantastic tool for expanding or duplicating design elements while maintaining the original design's proportion and alignment. Now, with your object selected, it's time to set the distance you want your offset to be. Here you have a choice. You can rely on the ease of your mouse to specify this distance visually, which is excellent for those of us who prefer a more intuitive and hands-on approach. Simply move your mouse cursor and watch as the offset outline snaps into place according to your movements on the screen. Alternatively, if you prefer precision or need a specific measurement, you can manually enter the exact distance you desire for the offset in the command line. After typing in your chosen value, hit Enter once again. This method ensures accuracy, which is particularly crucial in professions that demand exact measurements, such as architecture or engineering. And just like that, your offset is complete. With a few simple steps, you've effectively duplicated your object at a specified distance, leaving you with more time to focus on the creative aspects of your work rather than repetitive tasks. There you have it, an efficient and straightforward guide to using the offset command in AutoCAD. Whether through mouse movements or precise input, the offset command provides a level of flexibility and control that is invaluable in the drafting and design world. Practice it a couple of times, and it will soon become second nature in your daily AutoCAD projects. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.